Kanturo Number 2 is a farming community in the Sunyani West Municipality of the Bono Region and has a population of about 500. The community is blessed with potable water and a basic school. However, one major headache of the residents of Kanturo Number 2 is the absence of electricity. The situation compels the residents to always travel about 5 kilometers to Fiapre to either charge their mobile phones or grind their cereals.
You know, without electricity in our community, certain subjects have become very challenging. Certain subjects like ICT, you know, we have to use certain tools that are supported by electricity. And without these tools, or without electricity, teachers find it very challenging teaching ICT. So that is a basic challenge we are having as a community, that is Kanturo AME Zion School. So we like to beg the Sunyani West Municipal Assembly to help expedite action for us to get electricity in the community, to help in teaching certain subjects like ICT, and not only in teaching, but also helping the students in their studies.
Light ya ni wa hano how I did Brian say your phones to me doom. I just a crumansa or my charge phones on abre. It me be 3 days, 4 days, na phones on MD yen some. Ntama ya face problems one pa yen paying for ya bisa or more light on one some de I feel be elections be almost or more de light in the bebre. Betty ye to about ya sa yen take be until light in ya bisa almost ya throw almost say in common light. Basis I'm light in my Mesre assembly ni sen komo ma omo my light and manimi ya kaya ni beji pa
me pacho ye ni light wa hano de do charge phone kwa ye ni bi wa ha ye be charge phone ji si di kokuru nti mi sola ntina ya to sola ye ni ayi wa ha nti ye be charge a awia no ba na di ayi de sola ya be si a na ya charge ene ye de be da me pacho Kanturo Number 2 assembly here on 100 light in be mrai
Kanturo had a here kania na here ya pa yi kania na chese ya hano wo pese wo kwa yama de kura onya kania ndika kania na wa ha kanika na baba ha amaye na da kutaso wa ha na kania ni ho wo ba kura na ya kase ba wo pania kura aduru na ya den aduru ni ho ya de ba wo pania Ese kania na waha na ka umaya den na ka umonye friji adi eduru na ya den atum no matimi afeye.
Because of the absence of electricity, teaching of ICT at AME Zion Basic School is a challenge. Some of the pupils have been speaking to Citi News on what they go through because of the absence of electricity.
How ne say ye ni light ye de be sua de wa ha. At times computer ye ni bia ye de be ebia tomre bia ye teachers for mo use phone na e de kire ya de nti e kofi enso anya light emfa nsu ade nti yes assembly for so mo ntwe light emra kradua yimaye na yeso entumi su ade na yenkoye nim
higher pa edru ICT ayenya light influence ye teachers for na ya omu use omu phone disuan nti omu suan ade e wo se ye hwe no computer so e betima ye nyama yenye binye edru anyumbre so light ni ha ye de besuan ade ama ye dusuan no na aye basa ye sere assembly se onche light mbra ye ha say na yentim suan de na education ni nkoso mama.
Residents of Kanturo Number 2 in the Sunyani West Municipality of the Bono Region are calling on the Municipal Assembly to extend electricity into this community so that they can live a meaningful life. For Kanturo Number 2, Michael Saponifum, Citi News.